Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide chats in Facebook Messenger. If you're using Facebook Messenger and now you want to hide your chats, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Messenger app and here just select the chat which you want to hide. So I'm going to hide this one, just keep a long press on it. And here just select this archive option. Just select this option here and your chat will be hidden from your chat section. Now, if you want to find your hidden chat, just tap on this menu option in the bottom right, then select archive, and you'll get your chat here. So you can now use your chat in your archive section, or you can also unhide it by keeping a long press on it again, and then select unarchive, and you will get it in your chat section again. So in this way, you can easily hide and unhide any chat in Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.